Installation of 55-inch interactive flat panel. We are proud to announce the successful installation of a 55-inch interactive flat panel display at a prestigious coaching center. This advanced display is designed to transform traditional classroom into modern smart learning environment, enabling teachers to deliver lessons in a more engaging and interactive way. The panel is powered by the latest Android 14 operating system, ensuring faster performance, enhanced security, and a seamless user experience. It comes equipped with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage, allowing smooth multitasking, quick application access, and efficient management of teaching content. With its ultra-clear display and multi-touch interactive technology, educator can write, annotate, and present lesson directly on the screen, making learning more dynamic and effective for students. The installation was successfully completed by Orbitwave Systems Private Limited under its brand Xtrows, known for delivering high-quality interactive display and digital classroom solutions across India. We sincerely thank to the coaching center for trusting Xtrows technology and partnering with us in advancing its smart education and digital learning. Thank you.